Hey, long time no crime. Okay, get this. We got this big hairball of information last week from some hacker going by St. Jude. Yeah, St. Jude. Almost all of it has to do with Megasoft. Passcodes, decryptors, account dossiers, everything but Portcullis's undies. We got enough for a serious run on those boys. But we need someone for the physical infiltration while we're jerking their chains in C-space. You want a piece of the action? Don't make me beg you, man. It ain't a pretty sight, and the knees on my jeans are already going. I mean, if you can't hack it yet, I understand. You want to reconsider? Yeah, why'd I even ask? Cool, look. Here's your homework, everything you'll need to know before we make the run. Give it a read and meet me at the rendezvous point. Rock and roll!